To troubleshoot Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by ensuring your device supports Face ID, as this feature is only available on certain models. Next, check that your Face ID is set up correctly on your device by going to the settings and verifying that it is enabled. If you are still having issues, try restarting your device and then attempt to log in to Trust Wallet using Face ID again. This simple step can often resolve connectivity and authentication problems. Another key step is to ensure that your Trust Wallet app is up to date, as outdated versions may not support Face ID login or may have bugs that prevent it from working correctly. Check the App Store for any available updates and install the latest version of Trust Wallet. It is also essential to check the app's permissions, particularly those related to biometric data and camera access. Trust Wallet needs these permissions to use Face ID, so ensure they are enabled in your device's settings. If you are wearing glasses, hats, or have changes in your appearance, try removing them or adjusting your appearance to see if Face ID can recognize you more accurately. Additionally, ensure that the lighting in the room is not too dim or too bright, as this can affect the Face ID's ability to recognize your face. In some cases, the issue may be with the Trust Wallet app itself, so try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This will reset the app's settings and may resolve any issues related to Face ID login. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider contacting Trust Wallet's support team for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help resolve any underlying problems that may be preventing Face ID login from working correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with Trust Wallet Face ID login, ensuring that you can securely and conveniently access your wallet using this feature.